Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Just purchased this wonderful 2009 Volkswagen Jetta wagon, and she was very dirty, very dirty. Young family with 3 children and 2 dogs. You can imagine. Anytime I get inside, it really stinks like a wet dogs and so on. I can show you the details. It's really terrible. I'm working on it. Look at that hair. Everything is super dirty, but I already filmed a bunch of videos. I'm using this vacuum a lot, trust me. I don't want to be dealing with that smell. And what we will do in this video, you see, I still didn't wipe off this side. Absolute horror. So what we will do in this video, we will look together on how to replace that cabin air filter, or some people call it pollen filter. And to get to it, you have to remove, see that panel with those round holes? That needs to be removed. That's in the way getting to the cabin air filter box. And that panel should be held up there with 2 plastic fasteners. And for those you will need just a flat screwdriver. I think I see one of them. Or shall I just start right here? Doesn't matter. So I have that flat screwdriver. Unfortunately I can't get there because I'm holding my camera with you there. You are in my way, believe it or not. Maybe I will need 2 hands, but you can see it, right? It's right here, and it's the other one. It's right here, and I need just unscrew those. I guess everything can be filmed if you just take enough time and patience to set up the video gear. Yeah, they're scratched. It's hard to see there. But I think I just got it. This is so bizarre, right? They are not moving easily because they kind of did cut in that foam. This little cover, it's like a foam. Come on, baby. Why you are not cooperating with me? I can't believe this. It got loose a little bit, so I can actually finally grab it. And hopefully you can see it. This is that little plastic fastener. The same I will just do on the other side. I think the other one will also go just by the end. Oh yeah, it just fell off. So now it's very easy to remove this foam. It's not even plastic, it's kind of like a foam. And we will see the housing for the filter. I will have to move the light closer, right here. Yep, this is another problem. And if you look here, right here, this is the opening, this is the box for cabin air filter. Now I will say here is the only trick which is needed to be known in this game, and it's not, you are not unclipping something, but you will move this cover to the right, basically from driver to passenger. Oh my God, did you just see what happened? Oh no, oh no, oh no, I just vacuumed this entire floor. Look at this, guys, look at this mess. This is absolutely insane. Oh my God. But you know what am I saying here? It totally makes sense. They didn't take care of this car. We can see it on another place, right here on the cabin air filter. Wow. And here you can see inside this insanity. It's some kind of seeds. It's from the trees. Obviously this is most likely black mold. Look what is here and what is there. Wow. Here another look on the filter itself. What is interesting for me, or to me, I already checked the engine air filter and it was pretty clean, and it was Audi. It was Volkswagen Audi, yet we don't have Volkswagen Audi dealer around us. And if you look on this one, it's also Volkswagen Audi product. So that's very interesting to me. Look how much dirt. I just wanted to show it to you before it will fly into the garbage. So back to the vacuum to get rid of this horrible mess. And for those who are new to the automotive, just to make it foolproof, this is too late. This was supposed to be replaced very long time ago. The AC and heater system cannot really work with such a bad filter. Here you can see how flimsy is this Volkswagen cover or panel. I don't think you can even call it panel. It's just a piece of foam, and these screws, as you rotate them, they actually cut into it, and that was one of the reasons why I didn't want to go easy off. And here is what was just delivered to me from O'Reilly. It's a VIX. You can see the number for 09 Jetta. That's one of the filters they had. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, very nice. I like it. You can see probably that VIX. This basically is felt. It's a nice touch felt. That's the sealer, because we were being engaging that sliding bottom plastic part, right? We will be engaging it in these openings that will stop any leaks or blowing into the cabin. Here on the sides, nice felt. So this is good design. I just paid $26 for this cabin air filter. They were really quick. It came like in 10 minutes. I really like that. It says made in Poland. Let's go and put it in. I will attempt to install this panel. I don't even feel I should call it panel. I think this is pretty pathetic. The material of it is a joke. But maybe I should just put it back to have a good feeling that the vehicle is complete. It fits there correctly. It just, I don't know, it cannot stop any noise of the blower motor. I don't think that as a noise insulation it could work. I don't think so. Look, these fasteners actually, when you put them back, you don't even need that screwdriver. This one is nicely already in. I'm just using my fingers and tension between these two materials. Oh yeah, you just need to feel it. I think it's yeah, it's partially ripped, as you saw. And it's also weird to do that when you are in upside position. Come on, baby. Will you cooperate with me, please? So we can finish this video. And then viewers doesn't have to stay with us for another half day. No, it's right there. The mount is there. It's no damage or anything. And everything is back. And hopefully the air in this vehicle will be a little bit better. If you are dealing with some bad odor in your vehicle and you are changing the cabin air filter, little trick, little detail. If you will take some air freshener and gently spray it all over that cabin air filter, it will soak in and stay there for you at least for a couple of weeks. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumb up and please subscribe. I have way more to film on this vehicle for you on this channel. I will see you soon. Bye.